In this video, I'm going to show you how to level the bed on the Ender 3 S1 Pro. Having a level bed and the proper nozzle height set will allow you to get better first layers, better layer adhesion, and actually just less failed prints. So let's get into leveling the bed on the Ender 3. Start by clicking Ready and then wait for your printer to go through the auto home process. Once that's done, we'll touch Manual and then Preheat PLA. This will heat your bed and your nozzle. Now let's hit Settings and Leveling. The reason I heat the bed before leveling is I want to level it in the same state that it's going to be in when I'm printing. The reason I heat the nozzle is I just want to melt any plastic blobs that might be sticking at the bottom so I can set a proper Z offset. Now touch Aux Level to enter the manual leveling process. Take a regular sheet of notebook paper or printer paper and slide it up under the nozzle. You might have to raise the Z offset to get it to slide up under there. Once the paper is in place, raise and lower the Z offset until the paper moves freely, but you can feel the nozzle dragging on it. Once you're happy with it, touch 2 to move the printhead to position 2. Once again, we want to get the paper where it's dragging on the printhead slightly, but this time we'll use the adjustment wheel directly under this position, turning it clockwise to make it tighter and counterclockwise to make it looser. Once we're ready, hit 3 on the touchscreen to move to position 3 and repeat the process. Clockwise to make it tighter, counterclockwise to make it looser. When you're happy with it, touch 4 on the touchscreen to move to position 4. You know the drill. Clockwise to make it tighter, counterclockwise to make it looser, until we can feel a little bit of drag on the paper. When you're happy with it, touch 5 to move to position 5. Last time, clockwise to make it tighter, counterclockwise to make it looser, until you feel a little bit of drag on the nozzle. Okay, that's all there is to manual leveling. Now let's switch to the Auto Level tab and touch Start. I mainly use auto level, but you need to manual level when you first set up your printer, anytime you make any adjustments like change nozzles, also anytime that the auto leveling fails. I'm going to speed the video up a little bit just to save some time. Now the printer will run through and check 16 places on the bed and record the Z offset. It'll use these values to adjust the printhead during the print jobs. Once the auto level is finished, if you have the latest firmware, you can see all the values here on the screen. And you can edit them if you need to. We're just going to hit Save to complete the process. If this video helped you out, give it a like. Also, it'd be great if you'd subscribe to the channel.